What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be covering the stocks that I'm watching for tomorrow, the stocks that I traded, some of the swing trades that I'm holding, my overall just general tone on the market. If you guys haven't already, make sure you guys leave a big like on the video. That's all I ask for here. It really helps in creating these free videos and continues the support on the channel. Also free is the free link down below for our free Discord chat. Come check us out, guys. Overall, NQ today, you guys know, right when the market opened, we were kind of flat, and then we had this huge spike bull trap followed by this massive sell-off and this bounce, and we're still holding here midday. But you guys know I like to keep a look at the 4-hour chart, and to me it looks like we're still holding above the 11,800 level, and we still have some resistance right around the 12 level. But I'm still betting on it coming down. That's not to say I didn't take advantage of some of the stocks that I pulled back today. Unfortunately, Apple's one of them that did not. I'm only holding like 5 shares, nothing too crazy. For some reason, Thinkorswim, when you use your hotkeys, it'll glitch out and it'll switch you to a short position. So that's why it's 65 by 60. It'll throw you like it'll sell your shares, and then it'll immediately assume you want to sell 5 shares or go short. I don't understand why it does that. But we're still in just a small loss, nothing too crazy. Like I said, I don't want to day trade anything too big, or swing trade, I should say. Tesla, by the way, we did. That's Apple, by the way. Tesla, we did trade it. We did day trade this today. Of course, I'm not going to be swinging this immediately into the market open. I want to show you guys the trades, but I think Thinkorswim probably not going to let me because it's been glitching lately. Yes, it's not going to let me. I don't know why it does this. But we bought here at the market open, and then we just started scalping the drops. Usually I size in with bigger positions on Tesla, but that's only when it's on the dips, when it's selling off the entire day, not on these rallies, especially above 500. But like I told you guys, watch $500 level, because if we do break out past that $500 level, which is the whole number, and it looks like we held the 490s, it did, man. And we just traded the hype, or traded the momentum upward. And to me, this right now is looking overbought, overextended. Even if we dip down to $500 level, that'll still be a good dip buy for me, and I'll be scalping the dips. But other than that, I'll take a green play on this one if I can. And this was closing near its highs. You guys need to watch for some other EV stocks that I'm watching. NIO, of course, new highs. One that I probably won't be touching until I don't think I'll even see the price I wanted, guys, which is the $35 mark. Even just dip down to 50 to see if it holds there. You could possibly catch a good dip buy. XPEV, xpeng. This stock is up crazy today, 33, almost 34%. It's looking very, very overextended. I believe their news, I have a picture of the vehicle, the P7 with the wing. I mean, if you guys ask me, this looks like a pretty dope vehicle with the Lambo wing, Lambo doors. But this was a stock, or this was the car I think they had announced. Let me see, where is it at? A couple of days ago, like 2 days ago, at a auto show in Guangzhou. I'm probably gonna mispronounce that. Guangzhou show. But this is why it's rallying today. Other than that, I'm not gonna chase it up here, but it looks to me like even if it dips down to 50, which is that whole half dollar mark, I'll probably grab some shares. But I don't think we'll see 50 by any means of this week. That's just my ideology on this one. But this one, again, a little too hype for me. I'm waiting for it to cool down, as well as Tesla. Other than that, I'll probably just be scalping the day trades on that one. One that I also wanted to dip, and I've been talking about this here, is PTON, which it did not come down. It had this massive rebound. This is one that I didn't catch the dip on. Microsoft and Facebook will cover it now. I'm still holding like 5 shares, but missed the dip. Oh well. 4-hour, we could see possibly get rejected at SMA and possibly come down back to 100. Sub 90 is the price I want. Facebook bought 5 shares at 265, and it had that bounce. So a lot of these stocks, as you guys know, dipped massively here at the market open, or we're like an hour or 2 hours into the market open. And we bought just 5 shares, held it throughout the entire day, and it looks like we're still up above just a little bit right now. On the 30-minute, I'd like to sell above 270. Let's see if we could get back into this trading range around 272, 273. If not, if we see it coming down or 267 tomorrow, we'll just take whatever profit we can. But Microsoft was one that I swung over the weekend, sold some shares, took some profit, and bought 5 more. Again, nothing too crazy on my part. 5 more at 209, and looks like right now we're in the green as well. Similar pattern to Facebook. Apple was the only one, unfortunately, that disappointed, and it didn't pop up and hold its 115 level. Which one's another one that I'm watching that you guys called out? PLTR. This one's another one. No position on this one. This was another one that broke past the $20 mark and did not turn around. Possibly some support around 20, the 2050 level. On the 1 hour, it's looking a little overextended. I'd possibly wait for it to come 17. So if you guys possibly, or you guys see like the little trend I see, it's always near the SMA where I wanted to dip. So where that previous resistance is at, almost near SMA, that's where I want to play a dip by. As well as for like Neil, you guys know 35 is a little under the SMA, but that's why I'd probably be comfortable dip buying it under EMA right here next to that previous support, a little above SMA, right around the 4650 level. Other than that, those are the top stocks that I'm watching tomorrow. My gut is kind of leaning towards Tesla just a little bit. I think we could possibly get one more spike into the market close, especially with this EV sector being on fire right now. But again, keeping it super small with the positions, only 10-15 shares on Tesla, unlike usually when I dip I go 30-50 shares. But that's because we're trading it all the way up here. We're not catching a massive dip buy. Or if it does come down, and like I said, if it comes down to the 505, 510 level, you guys know I'll be scalping all the way. Other than that, that's pretty much it. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure you guys leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Take care.